James. Just wanted to start off by saying you're the man, and thank you for letting me do this. Obviously, I had some trouble first quarter, specifically with sequences and series, so I thought why not review that. So to start off, a sequence is a set of numbers defined by a rule that is only true or valid for positive integers. So looking at it, so the general term is the nth term, n being any number. And so u of n is a sequence generated using un as the nth term, yet again, n being any number. And if you look at this quick example right here, 2n plus 1, n being 1, so you'd have 2 times 1 plus 1 would give you 3. 2 times 2 plus 1 would give you 5, so that'd be u1 and u2 respectively. 2n plus 1, n being 3, would give you 7, u3, and so forth. So there's two types of sequences, those being arithmetic and geometric. So arithmetic, it'd be a sequence which each term differs from the previous one by a fixed number, so addition or subtraction. You can see right here, this is an arithmetic sequence, the one that we just went over. And then a geometric sequence, there's a common ratio between each of the terms. So multiplication only meaning no division, multiply it times a half, similar to dividing it by 2. So a series is the addition of terms in a sequence, u1, u2, u3. The sum of a series is the result when we are adding up all the terms. And here we have sigma notation, n, which is the number of terms, e is basically, that's the sigma, k equals 1, which would be the initial term. So the example here would be 7, which is the amount of terms we are finding the sum of. K equals 1, the initial term, and so 1 plus 1, and then you'd be finding the sum of that, and so that is arithmetic. So when looking at a geometric series, so the sum of the numbers is equal to u of 1, the initial term, or the first term, times r, the common ratio, to the nth power, which is the number of terms you're finding, minus 1 over r minus 1. So when looking at sequences, here is a quick practice problem. So we're given this sequence going from 8, 4, 2, 1 to 1/2, and it's a 3-part problem. And the first part says, find u1 and r. So we know right here, u1, it's the first number in the sequence, so that's 8. And r is the ratio at which it goes down, so it's 1/2. And for b, we're looking to find u of n, which is just the general term. So u of n is equal to 8 times 1/2 times r minus 1, r being 1/2 in this case. And wait, let me backtrack real quick. Sorry, n minus 1, not r minus 1. I made a quick mistake. I'm sorry, Mr. James. And then C, it's asking you to find u of 12, which would be the 12th term in this sequence. So u12 is equal to 8 times 1/2 to the 12 minus 1, which would be n minus 1. And you get u12 equals 1 over 286. And there's my dog. Thank you. So this is a series problem, and the question's asking to find the sum of the first 12 terms, and we're given that the first term is 2 and the common ratio is 3. So the sum of the numbers is equal to the first term. Here it is 2 times the ratio times the number that we're looking for, which is 12, minus 1 over the ratio minus 1. And when we plug this into the calculator, we get 531,440, or 531,440.